The entire team at the Cape May-Lewes Ferry is working hard to keep passengers safe during the pandemic. From the very beginning of this outbreak and continuing today, we have installed new safety guards, implemented touchless systems throughout our operations, improved environmental intake systems, and upgraded our cleaning and sanitizing efforts, all to ensure your safety and the safety of our crew and employees. Some of the things you'll see around our campus are obvious, like sneeze guards, air hand dryers, and hand sanitizer stations in high-traffic locations like the restrooms and lobbies. Other improvements are not obvious, but rest assured they are there. From new HVAC systems with antimicrobial filters to increase air quality throughout our facilities, to added cleaning and sanitizing protocols before and after normal business hours. We've always had strong cleaning procedures, but now they are enhanced and occur more often. We've added sanitizing and disinfecting measures for deep cleanings in line with CDC guidelines, and each hour disinfect high-touch surfaces in the terminals. Each boat is also sanitized between every voyage for each new group of passengers. Rest assured, even as we experience relaxed stages of COVID restrictions, the Cape May-Lewes Ferry is committed to providing the safest and healthiest environment possible as you journey with us.